Breaking news, MTN Uganda hit by a major power outage. Wild rumors involving General Muhoozi disproven. A massive wave of panic and confusion swept across Uganda today after MTN Uganda, the nation's largest telecommunications provider, suffered an unprecedented service blackout as millions of citizens found themselves abruptly cut off from essential communication channels. Social media exploded with speculative theories, with many frantic customers falsely claiming that General Muhoozi had ordered a digital shutdown. The widespread panic prompted the telecom giant to issue an official statement via its social media handles to clear the air. The cause of the blackout, according to the official communication released by the service provider, the severe multi-hour network failure was not driven by political interference or a government directive, but rather a severe technical crisis at one of its main infrastructure hubs. The statement detailed the following. The real cause, a major power outage, occurred at one of MTN's primary data centers earlier in the day. The impacted services include a significant segment of customers nationwide who experienced sudden severe disruptions to their voice calls, internet data, and mobile money, that's Momo transactions. There was also the status of recovery. Technical crews were immediately deployed to address the infrastructure failure, with service restoration actively underway to bring all systems back online as quickly as possible. Now, how the Muhoozi rumor took off. The sudden collapse of data and Momo service occurred amid a tense domestic atmosphere, making the public highly susceptible to misinformation because of General Muhoozi's prominent and highly visible role in state security affairs. And their citizens immediately leaped to conclusions, assuming the blackout was a deliberate state-ordered digital curfew. For hours, the narrative that Muhoozi has switched off the internet went viral via word of mouth and alternative networks before official clarification could circulate. MTN issues full apology, and the MTN Uganda has strictly closed the door on the political rumors of reaffirming that the issue remains entirely electrical and technical. In their public notice, the company stated, "We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your patience and understanding. Engineers are continuing to monitor the network and to ensure full stability is returned to voice, data, and mobile financial platforms across the country."